We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Yamaha FZ-09 in white. This bike has dual disc braking on the front, ABS front and rear. This is an inline 3 engine. Extremely smooth, really fast, really torquey. We have engine sliders as well. And we also have axle sliders that double as a way to pick your bike up, put it up on a stand, and clean and loop the chain. This is a chain-driven motorcycle as well. Have a buckle guard on the tank. Comes with a ram mount, and also has the Pug wind kicker on the front. Puts the wind over your helmet instead of directly into your face. This bike also has traction control, has different modes. I like to ride in mode B when it rains, and the cutoff switch and start button are all integrated together. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.